This video shows you some different types of LED aluminum profile light and linear profile lighting design ideas. Profile lights are a modern and stylish lighting solution for both residential and commercial spaces. These lights are designed to enhance the aesthetics of any environment while providing efficient and uniform illumination. Profile lights in ceilings are a popular lighting option that can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. These lights are typically installed flush with the ceiling, creating a sleek and seamless look. They are often used to highlight architectural features or to provide general lighting in a space. One idea for using profile lights in ceilings is to create a dramatic effect by installing them along the perimeter of a room. This can help to define the space and add a sense of depth and dimension. Additionally, profile lights can be used to highlight artwork or other focal points on the walls, creating a gallery-like atmosphere. The aluminum profiles can be easily cut to the desired length, allowing for customization and flexibility in installation. This feature makes profile lights suitable for various applications. LED aluminum profile lights are made from high-quality aluminum, which offers durability and ensures efficient heat dissipation. The profile acts as a heat sink, ensuring the longevity of the LED. These lights utilize energy-efficient LED technology, which provides bright and long-lasting illumination. LED consume less power and have a longer lifespan compared to traditional lighting sources. The diffuser helps to distribute the light evenly and reduces glare, creating a comfortable and visually pleasing lighting environment. Profile lights can be used for a wide range of applications, including residential, commercial, and architectural lighting. They are suitable for accent lighting, ceiling lighting, under-cabinet lighting, display lighting, and more. Aluminum profile lighting has become quite popular these days. These are kinds of channels that are made from aluminum, which makes them lightweight. Profile light has many different sizes and different designs. Normally available length is 1 meter and 2 meters. Structure of the profile light could be either rectangular and cornered shape. Application of profile lights are: it can be used in false ceiling. Some interior designer use them in wardrobe and storage area. LED panel lights can be used in wall panel. Good quality and waterproof profile can also be used in bathroom. Profile light can be used in kitchen cabinet and stair lighting design application. Profile light can be used in furniture. It can be also used as hanging lights. This light can be used in shop shelf and advertisement signboard. LED profile light can be used in jewelry display case design application. Profile lights come in various sizes and are made of the aluminum casing. Aluminum, being a good conductor of heat, releases the heat emitted by the LED which are placed inside them. Inside the casing, we place LED strip lights which come in various sizes and lumens. Typically, LED light color comes in white, warm white, and natural white color. You need to have drivers attached to them. Profile lights can also be used to create a soft and diffused lighting effect. By installing them behind a translucent material, such as frosted glass or acrylic, you can achieve a gentle and even illumination. This can be especially useful in spaces where a calm and relaxing ambience is desired, such as bedrooms or living rooms. Another idea is to use profile lights to accentuate the texture or pattern of a ceiling. By installing them in a grid formation or in a specific pattern, you can draw attention to the unique design elements of the ceiling. This can be particularly effective in spaces with high ceilings or in rooms with intricate ceiling designs. In addition to their aesthetic benefits, profile lights in ceilings can also provide practical lighting solutions. They can be used to provide task lighting in areas where focused illumination is needed, such as in kitchens or home offices. Additionally, profile lights can be equipped with dimmer switches to allow for adjustable lighting levels, adding versatility to the space. When considering profile lights for your ceiling, it is important to take into account factors such as the size and height of the room, the desired lighting effect, and the overall style of the space. Consulting with a lighting professional can help ensure that you choose the right type and placement of profile lights to achieve the desired result. Profile lights in ceilings offer a versatile and stylish lighting option for any space. Whether you want to create a dramatic effect, accentuate the ceiling design, or provide practical illumination, profile lights can help you achieve your desired lighting goals. LED strip light profiles are categorized into 4 groups: 1 recessed, 2 corner-mounted, 3 surface-mounted and 4 suspended profile lights or architectural. One type of LED aluminum profile light is a surface-mounted profile. These lights are installed directly on a surface, such as a wall or ceiling, creating a clean and modern look. They are often used to provide ambient lighting or as accent lighting to highlight specific areas or objects. It also looks fantastic for under-shelf or under-cabinet lighting. Surface-mounted profiles are easier to put on, cut and fit together. And you can even make a one-piece continuous line lighting effect with them. They can be easily cut as per your requirements. Surface-mounted profiles can be placed on the surfaces of ceilings, walls, cupboards, cabinets, and even on floor boundaries. Another type is the recessed profile, which is installed into a recessed area in the wall, ceiling, under lighting of cabinets and shelves. This type of profile light offers a seamless and integrated lighting solution, as the light source is hidden within the profile. Recessed profile lights are commonly used to create a soft and indirect lighting effect, adding depth and dimension to a space. Recessed profile lights are installed directly into the ceiling, creating a seamless look while providing an even spread of light throughout the room. There are a variety of recessed profile lighting options available in different sizes and shape possibilities. Long and slim recessed profiles can be used to create a sleek and modern look. Suspended profile lights are suspended from the ceiling using cables or rods. These lights are ideal for creating a contemporary and stylish lighting design, especially in open concept spaces or areas with high ceilings. Suspended profile lights can be arranged in various patterns and configurations, allowing for a customized and unique lighting display. Corner-mounted profiles are designed to fit in angle corners. Their diffuser covers allow you to create a smooth light bar effect. They are commonly used for ceilings and floor corners, but they work exceptionally well under kitchen cabinets, shelves, and cupboards. A corner profile is a great way to smooth out the edges between two walls and can be customized to fit any space. Installing linear profile lights along a hallway or staircase can create an inviting and dynamic ambience. Profile lights can be used in living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. LED aluminum profile lights are suitable for retail stores, restaurants, hotels, and offices, enhancing the ambience and highlighting specific areas. These lights can be used to illuminate architectural features, such as stairs, corridors, or columns, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. LED aluminum profile lights offer a modern and efficient lighting solution for various residential and commercial applications.